The Empty Cup, a life-changing motivational story. Once in a quiet village surrounded by serene hills, there lived a wise old man named Taro. He was known for his deep wisdom, and people from far and wide would come to seek his guidance. Taro spent most of his days meditating in his small cottage, and it was said that his words carried the weight of truth and clarity. One bright morning, a young man named Kaito, eager to learn and seeking answers, decided to visit the wise Taro. He had heard much about the old man's wisdom and hoped to find solution to his growing frustration in life. Kaito was ambitious and determined, but he had become overwhelmed by his constant pursuit of success. His life felt like a never-ending race, and he felt drained, unable to find true satisfaction. As Kaito approached Taro's cottage, he found the old man sitting peacefully, enjoying the early morning light. The young man, full of questions, wasted no time. "Master Taro, I have come to seek your wisdom," he said, bowing respectfully. "I feel lost, and no matter how hard I try, nothing seems to bring me lasting happiness. What should I do?" Taro looked at Kaito with a gentle smile and gestured for him to sit. "Let me offer you some tea," he said, as he poured hot tea into a small cup. The old man continued, "Tell me, what do you think will bring you happiness?" Kaito, eager to impress, began speaking rapidly about his goals, his career, his desires, his dreams. He spoke of his hunger for success, his longing to achieve greatness, and how he was willing to do anything to get there. As he spoke, Taro calmly continued pouring tea into Kaito's cup, without stopping, without hesitation. The tea quickly overflowed, spilling onto the table. Kaito, surprised by the tea spilling over, finally paused and looked at the old man. "Master, the cup is full. Stop pouring." Taro paused, still smiling. He turned to Kaito and said, "Just like the cup, you are full of your own ideas, your own desires, your own thoughts. You come seeking wisdom, but you are so full that there is no room for anything new to receive. You must first empty yourself of your assumptions and preconceptions." Kaito sat in stunned silence, the truth of the old man's words sinking in. Taro continued, "If you want to find true fulfillment, you must empty your cup, empty yourself of the notion that you know everything, and make a space for new ideas, new perspectives, and new wisdom. Only then will you be able to truly grow." Kaito was quiet for a long time. The lesson had hit him deeply. In his relentless pursuit of success, he had become blind to the simple joys of life. He had filled his cup with so much ambition, so many goals, and there was no space left for the things that truly mattered: peace, gratitude, and contentment. As the day passed, Taro and Kaito sat together in silence, sipping tea from their empty cups. Kaito felt lighter, as though a burden had been lifted. For the first time in a long time, he felt truly at peace. From that day on, Kaito made it his mission to approach life with an open heart and mind. He understood that true success didn't lie in constant striving and accumulating, but in the ability to pause, empty his cup, and make space for the beauty of life that was already around him.